Yes, this is your boy Twin Brothers from the Royal Maroon Herbs, 48 Ride Lane, Peckham. Big up Lion Food TV. What you say?
Man.
Lion Food TV.
We say we're there with the natural herbs, you know?
Yeah.
How you say?
But, so we have some herbs there, you know? Guinea hen weed. This is pepper elder, Guinea hen weed. You understand? Come and get your herbs. We have all the type of herbs. We have your sea moss, your Irish moss, your sorrel. Sorrel there for you. Cane juice.
Yeah, man.
You
Natural
understand?
cane juice, you know?
Come back
good for your
now.
digesting system and give you a lot of energy, you know?
King Kiliba
Yeah,
from Gambia. Good for your circulation. You understand? You follow what I'm saying?
Round leaf fern, you know? Good for anything, any mucus you have on your chest. Yeah, man. I hate this, you know?
And this one, yeah, baobab. Yeah. 6 times antitoxin, them glory, 6 times potassium, 6 times vitamin C, offering 50 heart, 35 calcium, more magnesium than coconut water, and 66% more iron than spinach. Yeah. You're a baobab. Come and get your baobab right here, right lane, Peckham. You understand? Bless up the baobab, you know?
Yeah, man.
Just over there.
Maroon,
and big up Lion Food TV. For life from Peckham.
Lion Food.
Right, yes, sir.
Yeah, man.
Stay strong.
Right foot, you know?
People production.
Vlog on the go, me a vlog on the go. I have some information for you to know. Yeah, man, blessed love and great things. You know, good morning, good morning, good morning. Brand new day, brand new week. So I say, you know, Lion Food with another vlog. I do it on our boss now, brag. You say your health is your wealth, and I mean to take care of it. Yes, man. Big up each and every one, you know. We give thanks to the preservation of life, give thanks to the horizon. All the things are going on around the world, you know. Jamaica, England, America. So people have to just be careful, doing the research, for doing the truth and rights and facts and making their own decision. Zine. So right now, my viewers and subscribers, one of my friends got through a little bad moment right now because our daughter, you know. Not going to mention names still, but yeah, man, our daughter end up in a situation where sticky and tricky, you know. Yes, man, and I tell the big man them say, yo. Yeah, man, I tell the big man them say, yo. Take your eyes, give the girls them a chance to grow, you know. You know, I share my experience 20 years ago. And them time there, you know, when I say, we all make mistakes, but the greatest thing is when they make a mistake, when they acknowledge the mistake. Some people make mistake and keep making the mistake. And so I say, big up all of the man them, the real fathers them out there. Who take care of them child and the mothers them, you know what I mean? Because you know father run left to pick them with the mother alone. And the mother does the same as well. It's not just the father, you see me? But in this situation I start 14-year-old, you know. So far, well, in call the thing called teenage pregnancy, schoolers, young school girls and school boys. You know what I say? Now is not the time to have kids. Education first, see? Don't blight in the future. So my best friend have a daughter named Shirley. Brad company me she quit school early. From she a 10 she act like a lady. 4 years later she end up with a baby. Pressure reach her so she start act crazy. Baby daddy not around for help with Daisy. Regret, she said she regret. She go lick head with Yvette and Bridget. Young teenage mother gave birth to a baby boy. She's struggling to play a parent role. She has no experience. Young teenage mother got tricked and trapped in a dark world. She gave birth to a beautiful girl, left all alone to fight on her own. The baby dad cannot be found. Now to teenage pregnancy, yeah? Viewers and subscribers, I don't know. You see that tune there, freestyle, I build me just write it, you know. Yeah man, me just write it star, cause when I work, I'm just drive and I meditate and I build some because, you know, I was reached up on, you see me? I know me as a youth, I go through depression. I'm depressed, suffer depression, it comes, it goes. Who feels it knows, you see me? Yeah. So I'm a virgin and raised still and a lady and I'm an empress and thing like. Be a cry, shark cry star. Touch me. Give me a flashback for my daughter. Big up my daughter, my firstborn, you know. 21 now. Got pregnant when she was 18. We can't talk about my daughter because my daughter. I was heartbroken because I spent up so much money on things, you know. And things happen, you see me? Regarding education and school wise, you see it? Yeah man, and me even cry in front of our teacher them. You know? Yeah. You see me? So big up my granddaughter too, you see me? Yes. But anyway, my viewers and subscribers, yeah man, big up the real mothers them out there, the single mothers them. Right now, I talk right now, I just feel emotional, you see me? Yeah man, I feel a waste because see the Empress I just shed bare tears. I said, boy, the daughter, you know, her daughter ended up pregnant, you know what I mean? She's 15 now, but happened when she's 14. And it's like, you know, she never ready yet, star, never ready. You see me? Never ready. You see it? The mother said, boy, Chano star. Mother said, boy, you know, she never want to dash it because she don't believe in them things. You see me? She think those things are sinful. You see me? Which is a sin. Sometimes in life, not everybody feel have baby, you see me? And every baby for born. Forgive me if I'm wrong or correct me if I'm wrong in the comment section. I feel like sometimes when the child is too young, you know, young parents, you see me? Yeah man, I vlog on the ground star, but they talk to me right now and I trust me, right? Reason we do know. So I just have build a song there. Teenage mother, you know? Yeah man. So right now I hear it exclusive. I know it sounds still, you see it? Yeah, but she said, boy, daughter, you know, I take out the frustration from her. Take out the frustration from her and her one daughter, you know? One daughter. Drop out of school. All because of friends and company. You see why I tell you, say, yo, sometimes you know the company and the friend them where you keep. You see me? Because some of them, I mean, are good enough to lead you astray. You see me? Yeah man. The viewers and subscribers star. Sad man, shocking. So she said basically, you know, she has struggled with the youth and she not ready for no mother role, you see me? Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and click the bell now. She not ready for no mother role, my viewers and subscribers. I know she'll take it out from the mother. I see here in England, you can't really hit a child, you see me? You have to be careful. You can't really hit a child, that's why enough of the youth them spoil. And I like say we where they are Jamaica now, Jamaica tradition. Even in Jamaica right now, they might try to cut out that, you see me? Yeah, they might try to cut that out, you see it, for eating and smacking a child. So she said, boy, the daughter just take out the beat and take it out from her. I like swear on them things this time. She can't do nothing but cry, you know, because she said, John, no, her daughter life ruined. But I tell her, I said, no, her life not ruined, no. Not ruined, no. It's up to she if it want, it stays so because time goes on, time flies by. The youth are going to get big. You see me? The youth are going to get big and if she willing to determine and push herself, she can go back to school. You see me? Yeah man. She can go back to school. The viewers and subscribers. And sometimes it feel like the parents let down the daughter and I feel. Sometimes the parents them do try, the mother and the daughter them try, you know. Yeah man, sometimes the mother them try and the father them try and still get let down, you see it? Because of the friends them who got lured into bad company. And I want to listen when them say them going to school, them going to man yard. You see me? And when them say them there for them way home, them there somewhere else. You see it? So it's not an easy road star, but I just want to share that with you still. You know what I mean? And the Empress will stay strong. I know you're going to see this still. And you know, I know you're going to see it. And I just do this to make you feel, give some reassurance. You know what I mean? So, yeah man. Just talk to her and make sure know say, you know, you're not going to see it out, you see me? Right now, you have to go play the father role. Until the brother there want to come out in the picture. Zine. Maybe I'm afraid to because we should even make that happen. You see me? It's underage, you know, but now my brother got deported for the same thing, you know. Long after. Years after the baby born and things catch up on him, you know, relationship breakdown and things catch up and end up in prison, feet, until him end up at Jamaica. You see me? So that's life. My viewers and subscribers, let me know what you're thinking in the comment section here, man. Young teenage mother gave birth to a baby boy. She's struggling to play a parent role. She have no experience. Young teenage mother got tricked and trapped in a dark world. She gave birth to a beautiful girl, left all alone to fight on her own. The baby dad cannot be found. My best friend have a daughter named Shirley. Company makes she drop out of school early. From she attend, she act like a lady. 4 years later, she end up with a baby. Pressure reach her, so she start act crazy. Baby poop on that. The baby daddy that I want to help with Daisy. The baby name Daisy, you know. But on the Daisy, the baby name, but that's why I use a name for rhyme with, you know. Regret, she says she regret. She go lick head with Yvette and Bridget. Young thing. Viewers and subscribers, speak up for yourself from the Kings and Queen line and lioness. Parents, fathers, be there for your child. You know what I mean? Yeah man, I want love, peace. Lion Foot in another vlog. I'm going to do it at boss now, bro. We're going to share on our message to every parents right now. Please and thanks. Share it out. Share on the vlog because it's very informative and inspiring. You know what I mean? Like I even make your child watch it too. Because I make them know say, yo, teenage pregnancy is not a nice thing. Wait. Tell them to wait. Hang on. Hang in there, you know? Yes, man. A Lion Foot in another vlog already to one of us now, bro. I'm out. Not another word out of my mouth.
Why would I lie? It makes no sense. I've been holding it for many years. Sleepless nights, endless tears. I even thought of taking my life, cause it seems like no one cares.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and click the bell before you go. So you always get that alert when I upload a new content. Your support is highly appreciated. May God bless you and your loved ones. Guide and protect you during your going out and coming in. Until next time, stay safe. See you soon.